Welcome to Santiago, Chile, a city that's so much more than just a stopover. Often called Sanhattan for its modern skyline, Santiago is a vibrant metropolis set against the stunning Andes. Here, sleek skyscrapers stand beside colonial plazas, blending old and new in every street. The city pulses with creativity, from street performers in La Staria to artists selling their work in lively neighborhoods. My first wow moment? Sipping coffee in a bustling cafe, feeling the city's energy all around me. Santiago isn't just a place to see, it's a place to feel. It invites you to slow down, soak in the rhythm, and become part of its story. Whether you crave world-class museums, delicious food, or stunning parks, Santiago delivers. The people are warm, the markets are lively, and every corner holds a surprise. Forget passing through, make Santiago your main event. The city's dramatic mountain backdrop never gets old. It's a place that respects its past while embracing the future. Santiago constantly reveals new secrets, one beautiful street at a time. If you want a trip that blends urban energy with natural beauty, this is it. Let Santiago get under your skin, in the best way. It's a city you'll absolutely love. So, are you ready to explore? Let's dive in. Start your adventure with a panoramic view from Cerro San Cristobal. Hike, bike, or ride the funicular for breathtaking city and mountain vistas. Dive into culture at the Museo Chileno de Arte Precolombino, showcasing ancient art from across the Americas. For a powerful look at Chile's recent history, visit the Museum of Memory and Human Rights. Wine lovers, rejoice world-class vineyards in Maipo and Casablanca valleys are just a short trip away. Don't miss a tasting with the Andes as your backdrop. Step into Pablo Neruda's whimsical home, La Chascona, for a glimpse into the poet's creative world. Santiago's culture is vibrant, passionate, and unforgettable. There's magic in every experience. Santiago's icons tell its story. Begin at Plaza de Armas, the city's historic heart, alive with performers and artists. Marvel at the Catedral Metropolitana's stunning architecture and peaceful interior. Just steps away, the Palacio de la Moneda stands as a symbol of Chilean democracy. Catch the changing of the guard or explore the cultural center below. For a modern twist, visit Gran Torre Santiago, South America's tallest building. Ride up to the Sky Costanera deck for sweeping views, especially magical at sunset. Each landmark reveals a different side of Santiago, from its colonial roots to its bold modern skyline. These are the places that shape the city's soul. Take time to soak in the atmosphere, history, and views. Santiago's landmarks are more than sights. They're experiences. Every visit deepens your connection to the city. Don't just see them, feel their stories. Santiago's spirit lives in these iconic places. Make them part of your journey. Getting around Santiago is a breeze. The metro is clean, safe, and connects all the must-see neighborhoods. Just grab a BIP card and tap in. City buses or micros reach even more corners. Use your BIP card here too. Rideshare apps like Uber are reliable and affordable, perfect for late nights or group trips. Santiago is also wonderfully walkable. Explore La Staria, Bella Vista, and Providencia on foot to discover hidden gems and vibrant street art. Walking lets you feel the city's pulse and notice the little details. Avoid rush hour crowds by traveling during off-peak times. Always keep an eye on your belongings, just like in any big city. With a little planning, you'll move around with ease. Santiago's neighborhoods are best explored at your own pace. Comfortable shoes are a must. You'll want to wander. The city invites you to explore, discover, and get lost in its charm. Every journey here is part of the adventure. Santiago is yours to explore. To know Santiago, you have to taste it. Start at Mercado Central. Sample fresh seafood or try pastel de choclo, a classic Chilean comfort dish. Explore Barrio Bella Vista for bohemian vibes, colorful street art, and buzzing nightlife. Head to Barrio Italia for relaxed afternoons, unique boutiques, and charming courtyard cafes. Sip a pisco sour, Chile's signature cocktail, or cool off with mote con huesillo from a street vendor. Santiago's food and drink are as diverse as its neighborhoods. Let yourself wander. Find a café con piernas, relax in a quiet park, and watch daily life unfold. The city's magic is in simple moments: a friendly smile, music drifting from a window, a hidden plaza. Step off the tourist path and embrace the unexpected. Santiago's barrios each tell a different story. The real adventure is in everyday experiences. Taste, explore, and connect with the city's soul. Santiago is ready to share its secrets. Open your heart to its stories. Your journey is just beginning.